Hey, folks. All right, you are the fiction group if you are watching this. So here are your directions. In the fiction group section, you will see lesson number three. Lesson number three looks like this. It is a little activity to help you start giving some thought to the actual events of the story and the conflict. What's going to happen to the character that you thought of last time. So I kind of walk you through the steps of it because I'm not sure how much experience you've had with this in ELA class, but I'll make it fairly quick. If you look at each slide, you'll see a picture of a plot diagram and a little bit of information or direction on the side. So if you look here, this is sort of what you're going to be working on. Each slide is devoted to a different part of the story. Now, this is not a legal contract. You don't have to follow this if when you get to the writing part, you find it's not working for you. But at this point, it's good to start somewhere. So, exposition. Describe what is happening at the beginning of the story before the conflict happens, before the problem begins to rear its ugly head. So, just in a few words, maybe a couple sentences, jot down in this section here what the exposition of your story might be like. What is the setting? What's the person doing? What kind of life do they lead? So forth and so on. And it's basically the same pattern for each one, focusing on a different part of the story. The rising action, the climax, the denouement, the resolution. So just work your way through this thinking about what's going to happen to my character. What are they going to do? What's the conflict that they're experiencing? How is it going to resolve itself? And again, this isn't a legal contract. You can change it at any point in time, but it is a starting place. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask for help. Later.